For this assignment, you are going to create an atomic theory timeline. So here's the description on how to create it. So what you're going to do is pretty much use this file here. You can download it. Once you open it, you will get this file. Okay, just go ahead and skip this, or this is the instructions. Go ahead and skip this second part. And then here are the descriptions. The name of the scientists are up here. The descriptions of their contribution to the atomic theory and the atomic model. These are the picture of the scientists. These are the atomic models that they contributed. And then here are the analogies. So something similar to the atomic model. So you're going to create a timeline. So going back here, you can make your timeline. I suggest you use Canva. It's free. Just sign up using your Gmail or any other email. Okay, so to get the description or other information regarding the scientist, you can click here to navigate you to the class website. Okay, once you go here, just go down. We went over this stuff already. And here it is. So Democritus, okay, it tells you a little information and more information. This is Democritus. This is the model of his or what he thought the model of the atom looked like, and this is the analogy. So he created to or he it's similar to Legos or building blocks because atoms again are the building blocks of matter. So again, also the dates are in order. So Democritus comes first around 400 BC, going down to Aristotle, and then these are more information. So this is a picture of Aristotle. This is the analogy of or pretty much what he believed the atoms made up. It's the elements fire, wind, earth, and water. And pretty much because of his belief, he pretty much killed the idea of chemistry until 1800, where John Dalton again discovered different things about the atoms, and then here is his motto. It's here it is. So it's compared to a billiard. So if you go back to that, you would see his image. This is his model, and then it's compared to a billiard. So I'm gonna go to Canva. Okay, once you log into Canva for free, you can type in timeline and choose infographic. You can choose different ready-made templates. If you want to use a blank one and create yours from scratch, that's fine. So let's just say I'm going to use. Want to use this one, and then I'm gonna change this to atomic theory, and then this one here I'm gonna change it to the. Let me just zoom in more. So I'm gonna change this to. Oops, this is too much. Fit. So or change it to 100%. So I'm gonna put here around 400 BC. 400 BC, and then I'm gonna put Democritus, and then I'm gonna use going back here. I'm going to use this descriptions and also read through the PowerPoints to see what matches Democritus. Okay, so let's say going back here real quick. So I'm just gonna read through it. So I'm gonna find a picture of Democritus. I'm gonna go to Google. So images, and then I'm gonna find a picture of Democritus. I'll use this one and then I'll just save it. And then you can upload it into Canva. So I'm gonna go here, upload, find that image of desktop. Here we go. So I'm gonna add his image here. Okay, however you want to, and then his model was Democritus atom model. So pretty much it looked like this. So I'm also going to save this image. And then go back here and add it in. I'm going to upload it again. And then use, oops, I guess I saved it. It's the wrong file. Save image as. Okay, no, that's a bad one. Save image as. Hopefully it's something. Why is it? Okay. Save image as. Okay, it's a ping. That's good. So save. Go back here. Upload it. So I'm going to use that. And then put it in. Oops. And then it's compared to, so that's his model, this one here, and it's compared to blocks. So I could just look for Legos. Building blocks. So I'm just gonna get any image here would be fine. I'll just use this. Save image as building. Then I'll put that here. Again, I know it's tedious, but you know, it's better than being far behind on our lesson. Oops. Make that image smaller. Maybe I'll put it to 50% so it's easier. But don't forget to put the description of Democritus. There should be a few, so you need to read through the PowerPoint and then go back through the file and then see which descriptions again match Democritus. And then, yeah, so you're gonna do that for every scientist. To add text, just go to text and then just choose whatever, and then you can add it here. You can find space to put it here, wherever. Okay, once you're done, you can download it as, um, you can choose. I prefer to, you can download it as a PNG or a PDF file. I don't care, just as long as you do it. And then once you save it, you can upload it back into Schoology, into your class, or into our class. And then pretty much that's how you create a timeline. So you're going to do that for every scientist. And then I'll be using this scoring guide up here to grade it. So make sure your title has your timeline has a title, organization of the events is neat, and it's in chronological order. Use all the picture, atomic models, and analogy. Correct matching of the information. Um, it looks aesthetically pleasing, so make sure it's creative in some way. Use your time wisely. This will be due. Let's say I'll just give you to the end of or mid part of next week Wednesday, and then the last one is you answered all these questions. So answer these questions last, um, so that way you have a better understanding. So pretty much that's how you do the atomic model timeline. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at roki.indalesio@cinemipss.org, or you can message me privately on the class remind for if you're confused. Okay? And stay safe and always wash your hands. Stay away from large crowds. Don't touch your face. Okay? And don't panic. We'll be fine. Hope to see you guys soon and take care.